Apple is hiding a terrifying secret right now, and it is about to completely destroy the entire Windows PC market. Imagine a computer so small it easily fits in the palm of your hand, but so incredibly powerful it can outpace a giant, noisy $5,000 gaming rig. For years, people laughed at the base model Mac Mini. They called it a weak, overpriced toy meant only for basic web browsing and school homework. But that laughing is about to stop forever. Brand new, highly confidential leaks have just surfaced. From deep inside Apple's supply chain overseas, they reveal that the upcoming M5 and M5 Pro Mac Mini are not just standard yearly upgrades. They are absolute monsters. This new machine is a brilliant Trojan horse designed to completely bankrupt the competition. If you were even thinking about buying a new computer this year, you need to freeze right now. Do not spend a single penny until you hear exactly what Apple is about to drop on the world. This is the biggest leap in budget computing history, and your daily desktop experience is about to change forever. The absolute biggest proof of this massive storm is actually hiding right in plain sight. If you go to Apple's official website today, you will notice something very strange. Try to buy a high-end Mac Mini or a Mac Studio right now, and you will instantly hit a massive brick wall. Apple is currently showing unprecedented 10 to 12-week shipping delays for these exact machines. They're literally running completely out of stock of their own flagship computers. This is happening because Apple has quietly shut down the old production lines. They are clearing out the entire factory floor to make room for the mighty M5 chip. The overseas factories are already working overtime to pump out this new silicon. And the exciting details leaking from those factory floors confirm a massive victory for regular users. Apple is finally stepping up and fixing their biggest, most unforgivable mistake. For the last few years, buying an entry-level Apple computer meant accepting a painfully small 256 gigabytes of internal storage. It was a complete nightmare for everyday users. You download a few heavy programs or save some family videos. Suddenly your expensive brand new computer is begging for mercy. You were forced to buy expensive, ugly external hard drives. But we finally have absolute confirmation that this nightmare is permanently over. Apple has officially killed the 256 gigabyte base model. The new entry-level M5 Mac Mini will finally start at a glorious 512 gigabytes of storage. And yes, they are pairing that massive storage with 16 gigabytes of unified memory as the absolute minimum standard. Your desk stays completely clean. Your files stay incredibly fast and accessible. You will never have to look at another storage warning ever again. But Apple did not just fix the boring storage issue. Trusted leaks now confirm that the base M5 chip features an astonishing 45% leap in raw graphics performance compared to the last generation. In the tech hardware world, a 45% jump in a single year is basically unheard of. Usually, tech companies fight tooth and nail just to give us a tiny 10% boost. Apple is handing this massive graphics upgrade to us for free. This means true creative freedom without limits. You can edit massive 4K videos without the timeline lagging. You can play graphically demanding modern games smoothly on a budget. Mac, your computer will feel just as incredibly fast 5 years from now as it does today. If you are a true power user, the leaks regarding the M5 Pro model are absolutely mind-blowing. Running complex AI programs locally on your own computer requires a massive amount of processing power. Normally, doing this on a tiny budget computer would cause the machine to overheat rapidly and sound like a loud vacuum cleaner. But Apple's genius engineers completely solved this heating problem. They created a brand new, highly advanced fusion architecture that combines two separate processing dies into one giant super-efficient megachip. This brilliantly doubles your computing power while keeping the physical temperature incredibly low. You literally get the raw power of a giant, glowing Windows gaming tower, but it is packed perfectly inside a sleek, silent, ultra-compact aluminum box. Amazingly, all of this next-generation power fits perfectly into the exact same ultra-compact design. Apple is smartly sticking with the radical new form factor that we all absolutely love. They are keeping those brilliant front-facing connection ports. You get future-proof Wi-Fi 7 built right in for the absolute fastest internet speeds possible, along with Bluetooth 6 for perfect wireless connections. The base model will rock highly capable Thunderbolt for ports on the back, while the Pro model steps up to the blazing fast Thunderbolt 5 standard. There are zero compromises here. So what? Is the final damage to your wallet going to be? Because Apple is finally giving us a proper amount of base storage and a massive graphics upgrade, we are currently looking at a new entry price of roughly $699. In my honest opinion, this product is an absolute masterpiece and the undisputed king of modern computing. The rest of the Windows PC industry should just pack up their bags and go home. Trying to build a custom Windows PC for $699 that is this incredibly fast, perfectly quiet, and unbelievably small is physically impossible. They simply cannot compete with this level of customized Apple silicon. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.